Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we have this TCL air conditioner, and in today's video I'm going to show you all the methods that I know in order to basically reset it. So first of all, you need to check whether your TCL air conditioner has a dedicated reset button or not. On some of the models, it's a small recessed button which is located behind the front panel or near the control panel. So if you find the dedicated reset button, you just have to simply press and hold it for around 5 to 10 seconds using the paper clip, or then you can just simply release it. Now on many of the TCL split air conditioners don't have a physical reset button, so in that case you just have to first of all turn off your AC with the help of the remote. So simply press this power button in order to turn it off. Then you just have to also switch off the power at the wall switch or the circuit breaker, and you need to leave the unit as it is for around 5 to 10 minutes. This performs a complete control board reset. So you just have to simply turn the circuit board on and wait for further 1 to 2 minutes before starting your AC. So this allows the system to complete its internal startup process. So after 1 to 2 minutes, you just have to again press this power button in order to basically turn your AC on. So when it is on the remote, you just have to press the cool button in order to set it to the cool mode, and then simply use the fans in order to basically set the fan on the high speed, and also use these up and the down button in order to basically lower the temperature below the current room temperature, and also wait for further 3 minutes for the compressor to begin cooling. So that's how you can basically reset it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.